Welcome to Nova International Schools, a learner community which provides a safe and nurturing environment for all of its students to learn and grow. Our goal is to develop the skills and abilities of each individual student, equipping them with the tools they need to succeed in a challenging and ever-evolving world. We embrace a holistic approach to education, guided by our dedicated faculty and staff, helping each student reach their full potential.
Our school has grown up with the times. From a smaller 9 through 12 US-centric academic model, we are now an IB diploma program school and a middle years program school, international in curriculum delivery as well as mindedness. What we strive to deliver and manifest for our students are real-world learning opportunities while maintaining co-curricular bonds.
We live in a fast-paced, ever-changing world, and we're preparing our students for jobs that haven't even yet been created and for lives that we can't even envision. That's why at Nova, we teach our kids how to think, how to question, and how to be open-minded to the ideas and perspective of others, as well as to be balanced, caring people. These are the International Baccalaureate learner profiles that we feel are essential for our students to be successful and positive contributors in the world around us.
Hi, I'm Teddy and I'm an 11th grader here at Nova. Firstly, Nova is a really unique place for student-led clubs as it allows freedom of expression and it allows us to diversify our interests in different areas. Then we also have a robust counselor system, which includes both emotional and academic counselors, which help us throughout the application process and the stresses of the academic year, which of course come along with tests and grades. The teachers provide specific feedback on our coursework and which helps us improve our academic achievements. And finally, Nova is an incredibly inviting and multicultural community, which is a home for everyone.
Hello, my name is Christian and I'm an 8th grader here at Nova. What I like most about the school is the IB program, which promotes individuality, creativity, and a comprehensive approach to learning. Secondly, the teachers here are open-minded, passionate, and supportive of our needs and aspirations. And finally, the school is a home of many different cultures and it allows me to experience the whole world at a single place. I love studying at Nova and I'm grateful to be a part of this amazing community.
What I love most about school is the teachers and how they make learning really fun and interesting.
Our older son and daughter recently graduated from the upper secondary school at Nova and were well prepared for the academic challenges of university. Our youngest daughter is a current student and we're grateful for the well-rounded education that Nova continues to offer as an IB school, in addition to all the extracurricular activities and clubs available after school hours. And personally, as a parent, I have enjoyed getting to know other parents from Nova through the monthly coffee hours and various events offered to us as part of the community.
Join us to discover the unique and enriching experiences that NOLA has to offer.